Welcome back, students. The topic for today's discussion is problems on CSV files. Now let us move on to the problems and we will solve one by one. I have taken 3 problems. The first problem is write a Python program to write nested Python list to a CSV file. Nested Python list. So how to do this one? I am copying the question. So I am moving on to the editor, pasting the question there. Here I have to import a module named CSV. For binary we have imported pickle. For this one we are importing CSV. We have to open a file for writing with open stud.csv. I am trying to write the student's information. The mode for opening the file is writing. I have to mention it. And one more thing I have to give, that is new line equal to space in order to avoid the blank spaces as CSV write. Since I'm going to write, I'm going to have the handler as CSV write. Once this is done, what are the inputs? Roll number, which is of type integer, int input of roll number, then comes a name, input name, then comes mark. I'm going to enter the marks int input of my mark 1, first subject mark. I am trying to accept 3 marks, right? I'm just copying it. 3 marks, I'm going to have it. I'm going to accept 3 marks, changing the identifiers as M1, M2, M3 respectively. Once this is done, that is 3 things, all right? What I'm going to do, that is nested list they are saying, right? So nested list, I am going to have marks. What are the marks of the particular student? M1, comma M2. It's not dot. M1, comma M2, comma. Sorry, it is comma M3. Then I am going to have one more list student. There I am going to store the roll number, name. Now marks is a list. I am storing this as a sub list or a nested list, a list within list. I am going to have 2 things. One is student. I am creating an empty list. Then marks is there. I am creating that one also. Once this is done, one set of input for a particular student is over. So I have to use what? One thing we have left. Once we have opened the file for writing, I should be having an object called as writer, where I am going to write using what function. So this line we have left, writer equal to CSV dot writer is a function. That is where you are going to write. You are going to write it onto the file CSV write. The CSV write refers what? stud.csv, right? Then coming over here, writer dot write row, writer dot write row. What are you going to write? The object. The object is, the whole object is the student, right? When you want to go for a continuous input, you are going to use while statement, ch equal to y. While condition is true, you are going to accept all the input. Tab is necessary. You are going to accept all the input. Then once you have got all the input now, you are going to write it. If this is done, you are going to get the choice from the user. Input, do you want to continue? You are saying it as yes or no, right? If ch equal to n, you are trying to come out of the loop. All right. Now let us save this program. Demo CSV problem 1. It is demo problem, right? So we have saved it. Now we will run this particular code. Some syntax, yes, we have to have double equal to there. So that is what the syntax error is. Now we will run the problem. CH is not defined. See, CH initially we will be giving it as Y. Now that problem is also rectified. Now it is accepting the input. I am giving the roll number as 1, name as Sundar. I am going to enter the marks 90, 90, 90. Yes. I am going to give it as 2. Sendil. I am going to enter the marks as 95, 95, 95. Do you want to continue? Yes. Roll number 3. Shruti, a name 75, 75, 68. Do you want to continue? I am giving as no. I have entered 3 marks, right? Where the data is getting stored, then we will be opening this particular file, namely stud. I am changing the type as all files. stud.csv pqrst. It is an Excel file. See here, comma separated values. This third one is a sublist. The third input is a sublist, a list within list. So this is what the first problem is. Moving on to the second problem. Write a Python program to read a given CSV file having tab as a delimiter. Having tab as a delimiter, for which I should have a return. I should have return the file with tab as a delimiter, then only I can read it. All right. Having tab as a delimiter. Now I am trying to modify this particular code alone. how I am modifying na delimiter equal to, I am trying to specify another delimiter, namely tab here. I am trying to save this program as problem 2a. This is necessary. If this is present, then only we can read it. Now let me run the particular code. One Sundar, mark is 90, 90, 90. I want to continue. I'm entering the number 2. Sendil, mark is 95, 95, 95. Then yes, roll number 3. Shruti, 75, 78, 63, 73. So do I want to continue? No. I have written it. Now, if we open the file stud.csv, all right, this we should not open. See, I am opening the recent file. Here, do you want me to replace with this editor? Here, their tab contains only 6 characters. That is, contains 6 tab characters. Do you want to avoid confusion? It is giving us 4 spaces. See, this is how the tab works. Right? We have not written a program how to read this one by writing a program. Just I have opened it, I have shown it. How to print the same content on the screen, all right? Whether tab is present or not. I have to import CSV, all right? With open, what are you going to open? stud.csv is the file you are going to open. For read mode as CSV read, right? Right. Then for writing, we will be using an object called as a writer. For reading, we will be using an object called as a reader. What is the function? CSV.reader. What are you going to read? We are going to read CSV read. That is the file handler, right? Now, all the content is present in the object called as a reader. For data in reader, print data. All right. Now we will save this particular code. Demo underscore CSV PROB 02. It is B subdivision. If we do not have a problem for writing, then we cannot read it. So we have done it, but for exam point of view, this alone will do. So I have saved this problem. Now let me run it. See here, the tab is shown. Whereas in this editor, they give only 4 spaces. Whereas here the tab is mentioned, a different delimiter is being mentioned there. All right, this is what the second problem is. Moving on to the third problem. Write a function that reads a CSV file and creates another file with the same content but with a different delimiter. The intention of the program is, you do have an existing CSV file where the data is present. Now you are going to read this data and you are going to copy it in some other file with a different delimiter. This is what the third problem. How to solve this one? So as usual, they have asked us to write a function. First of all, we have to import the CSV. You are reading and copying. They have not given the function name. We are keeping the function name as a read and copy. So the first step is we have to open the file where the data is present. The data is present in input data 01. Input data 01.csv. Since I am reading, mode is not necessary. If you want to mention it, you can mention it. With open, you are opening this particular file as what? CSV read. We are going to read this CSV file. That's what the file handler name. I have to open one more file. Why? To copy this particular data into another file. With open CID. I'm just keeping it as CID. Copy input data 01.csv. Here I have to mention the mode as a write. For reading, mode is not necessary. For writing, we have to mention the mode. Then, if there exists any blank line there, this new line will suppress this one. This is the third parameter. As what? We are going to write it onto the file. Since it is related to CSV write, I keep it as a file handler. Name. I am creating an object, namely reader, which is going to hold the data. CSV.reader is a function which reads the particular file, namely input data 01. It is referred as CSV read. Now the entire content will be in reader. In order to write the copied content with a different delimiter, what we are supposed to do? I am creating one more object, namely writer. CSV.writer. Where are you going to write? CSV write. CSV write refers what? CID01.csv. CSV write. Here I am trying to mention the delimiter. They are asking us to copy with a different delimiter. I am trying to give what this R symbol with a different delimiter. How are you going to copy? Row by row. So where the data is present, the data is present in reader. For data in reader, you are not going to print, instead you are going to write it. So I have to use a writer dot write row. What are you going to do? What are you going to write? The data. So this is what? We need not worry about closing of the files. It will be taken care by with open statement itself. Once you are opening the file with open, it automatically closes when it comes out. So once this is done, just I am printing a message. This is not necessary. Copied successfully. I have to call this function for execution. How to call? Without def read and copy. Let us save this problem. I am saying the process CSV RC, read and copy. We have saved the problem now. Let us execute it. It is showing copied successfully. Where to check the data na? We have to open all files. CID. Yes, this is CID. Now, if you see, normally the default delimiter is comma. Here, since they have asked us to use a different delimiter, it has come with, what is that? The delimiter which I have used in our program is, what is that? Or symbol. And you can see it is separated by what? This or symbol. I hope problems pertaining to CSV file is clear. Thank you for the session.